Dear students, today I am going to teach you about factorization. How can you find out factors of given numbers? But before that, I would like to explain what are factors, which are also known as divisors. A whole number by which a larger number can be divided, leaving no remainder. Okay? The number which divide a large number and leaving no remainder are called factors. Now, for understanding this concept, you have to make some arrangement. You have to take some Rajma seeds and you will cut the numbers of which you have to find out the factors. Here I have segregated 24 Rajma seeds because we have to find out the factors of 24, 6 and 4. Okay, and you will take a notebook or a sheet and a pen. You can also take any other seeds, but since the Rajma seeds are bigger and easy to count, I am preferring Rajma seeds. Now I am telling you how you can find out the factors. Here we are having 4 Rajma seeds. Okay. Suppose these are the students. Okay. And you have to arrange them in prayer. And your teacher has asked that you have to arrange the students in such a manner that the number of students should be equal in each row. Okay, in each rows the number of students should be equal. So you can arrange all the students in a single line. Now you will note down here you are finding out the factors of 4. So here one line and total number of students are 4. So you will write 1 into 4. Now what is the other method to arrange them? Some students will say that ma'am, we can arrange them like this. Okay? कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ये भी कहेंगे कि मैम हम इनको इस तरह से भी प्रेयर में अरेंज कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो यू विल राइट 2 into 2. 2 rows and number of students are 2. So you will like this. Now any other method to arrange these students? If any student will say that ma'am arrange this student into 3 and 1, so I will say wrong. Okay, because here only one student and in this line only 3. So this will be not the factors. Okay, so factors of 4 will be, your answer will be 1, 2, 4. These are the numbers which can divide 4 completely. Okay, now is it clear? Next, 6. Here I am taking 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. How can we arrange them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So you can write it 1 into 6. Okay. जितने भी स्टूडेंट हो आप उन सबको एक सिंगल लाइन में अरेंज कर सकते हैं. ओके, 1 will be the factor of all number. Okay. Now the second method, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 2 into 3. Okay, you are saying that I have made 2 lines and in each line the number of students are 3. Now third, 3, into 2. Okay, now there is no any other method by which we can arrange these students. So what are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, these are the factors of 6. Here I have 24 Rajma seeds. Now if you have to find out 24, since it will take time in counting, I am just telling you how you can arrange. First of all, you can arrange all the 24 seeds in a single line. So you will write 1 into 24. एक ही लाइन में हमने सारे 24 सीड्स को राजमा के अरेंज कर दिया. नाउ सेकेंड, वी विल मेक 2 लाइन and arrange all the rajma seeds 12 and 12. 12 इस लाइन में और 12 इस लाइन में. Okay, so we will write 2 into 12. Other method 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8, 8, 8. 3 into 8. Next method 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. इन 4 लाइन्स में हमने 6 स्टूडेंट्स को रख दिया. 4 into 6. Okay, if we will make 5 lines, it will be wrong. Okay, the number of students will not be same. So what are the factors of 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Okay, so by this activity you can learn factorization. So do it at your home, and after finishing the activity, you will collect all the Rajma seeds in your bowl and you will give it to your mother for making Rajma. Okay.